Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from Wiki.com, today from out of Indonesia, Bali. I'm just put some sunblock. I'm heading out for some surf real soon. This is my holiday week here in Bali. This is my time off from trading. The reason why I shoot this video is because I think it's important for you guys to know that that you should sometimes take some time off from trading, because trading can be emotionally really heavy. The adrenaline while trading can be very heavy. So sometimes it's just good to take off a week. I just hit my targets already for this month, so I'm just not gonna trade this month anymore. I'm gonna start on the 1st of October again. So for me, just a few days off, have some relax at the pool, have some surfing in Bali. Bali is a great place though. I highly recommend it to go there for a holiday. I love it here. But anyway, I just want to make sure that you guys understand that trading can be very heavy, and it's very important to take your time off. And that's why I'm taking time off right now. And I'm gonna enjoy Bali a little bit. For you guys, just keep practicing. And if you have any other questions you want to be answered, or video topics you want to be covered, put them in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna go have fun here. And thank you for watching. This was Bart, and happy trading.